Today we are going to be removing and then reinstalling printhead, Platen roller and ribbon on a Toshiba B-852-R Label Printer. So first things we do is we flick the power switch off and remove the power cable from the back of the machine. Then we lift the front plate of the machine up. Now usually we'd be removing labels. There would usually be a hopper at the back of the machine. Today we don't have one of those. So the first thing we do is we release the printhead by pulling down on the lever, lift the printhead up, remove the ribbon by pushing the ribbon to the side on the spring-loaded side. Then we move the plates from the sides holding the Platen roller down. Just pull forward, the clip will come out and then pull forward. Remove the tear bar by lifting it up and out. And then now we can lift the Platen roller up to the side on the left and then out. The printhead has a pin to the right hand side. That pin can be pushed to the side. It is spring loaded and allows the printhead to be lifted out of the machine. Remove the 3 cables from the back of the printhead, like so. And you can clean the printhead and the roller or do replacements. When putting the Platen roller back in, just make sure that you do not lose the bearing inside the machine. So this is why we put the Platen roller in not this way, but we actually then put the Platen roller in cog side first, then lay the Platen roller into the holders that are there. The tear bar goes in. The tear bar has notches that match up to the inside of the machine here and here, and just lays in on top. You put the clips back in, the side clips back in. Now the side clips will not go in on both sides, they do match only to one side, so you just slide it back in here and here. And when putting the printhead back in, just make sure with those 3 cables that you line the printhead up to face the way that you're going to be putting it back in. So you put the cables back in. And you push up against the spring-loaded pin, and then you push it into the pin on the other side, and it'll just slot into the hole here. And the printhead's in. When inserting the ribbon, we have a notch side and we have a spring-loaded side. And we have front and back ribbons. So we just look at the notches on the sides and we line them up. We push the spring-loaded inside first, notch first, and we find the notch. And we do the same with the top ribbon as well, which is the take-up ribbon. And we slide the ribbon on. And then we close the printhead. We just get 2 thumbs, close the printhead down ever so gently, and click. And the reason why we close it down gently is because on the side here there is 2 cogs, there and there, and if they'll mash up against each other and they'll break. So close it down gently, 2 thumbs, and you'll hear that click. That's all installed. Thank you.